Students, in our previous video, we learned about the different types of fish and solved some sums. Today, we are going to solve the sums of distance and time. Question 1. Look at the table and answer the following questions. Students, in order to answer the given questions, first of all, you have to observe the table very carefully. You have to read the question, understand it, apply, and then you have to solve the sum. Now, let's see the first question. About how much fish will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? Students, try to understand this question. In this question, it is given to you that about how much fish will each type of boat, that is log boat, long tail boat, motor boat and machine boat will bring, that is catch in 7 trips. So, in order to solve this sum, you have to observe the table. By observing the table, it becomes quite clear that log boat brings 20 kilogram fish in one trip. But we have to find out for 7 trips. So, get the answer, we will cross multiply, for which we will write down the statement. So now, let's solve the first question. Log boat. One trip, 20 kilograms. So 7 trips, how much? By cross multiplying, we will get 7 multiplied by 20 upon 1 equal to 140 kilograms. So we can say that a log boat will bring 140 kilogram fish in 7 trips. Similarly, we will also solve for remaining types of boat. Now, for long tail boat. Again, observe the table. In this sum also, we will cross multiply and write down the statement. One trip, 600 kilograms. So 7 trips, how much? By cross multiplying, we will get 7 multiplied by 600 upon 1 equal to 4200 kilograms. Students, we know that when we multiply by tens, we put 1 zero at the end. Similarly, in order to multiply by hundreds, we have to put 2 zeros at the end. That is in ones place and tens place. So here, first of all, we will put 2 zeros at the end and we will multiply the remaining numbers. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. Thereby, 7 multiplied by 600 is equal to 4200 kilograms. Therefore, students, we can say that a long tail boat will bring 4200 kilograms fish. Students, for remaining types of boat, you have to complete the first sum by yourself. Now let's see question number 2. About how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? Students, try to understand this question. It is very new for you. In this question, it is given that about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours. It means that how much distance a motor boat can travel in 6 hours. Students, we can solve this sum by 2 ways. By first way, you have to cross multiply, and by second way, you have to use the formula of distance. So now, let's solve the second sum by first way. 1 hour, 20 kilometers. So, 6 hours, how much? By cross multiplying, we will get 6 into 20 upon 1 is equal to 120 kilometers. Now, by second way, using the formula of distance. Distance is equal to speed into time is equal to 20 into 6 is equal to 120 kilometers. Students, note that distance is always measured in kilometers. Now, let's see the third question. If a long-tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? Students, try to understand this question. In this question, it is given to you that if a long-tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? It means that if a long-tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how much time a long-tail boat will take? So now, let's solve the third sum by both ways. First way, 12 kilometers, 1 hour. Therefore, 60 kilometers, how much? By cross multiplying, we will get 60 multiplied by 1 upon 12 is equal to 60 divided by 12. That is 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5 hours. As 12 into 5 is equal to 60. Now, by second way, using formula of time. Time is equal to distance upon speed is equal to 60 upon 12 is equal to 5 hours. Therefore, we can say that a long-tail boat will take 5 hours to travel 60 kilometers. Students, solve the practice work by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.